The following is an excerpt from a lecture of ENPM701 Autonomous Robotics. The course was formerly taught under the number ENPM809T. The instructor for the course is Dr. Stephen Mitchell.
I graduated here from Maryland in 2005 in mechanical engineering. That was my undergrad. I went out to Colorado, finished my PhD in aerospace engineering, but my focus was in kind of robotic perception, laser ranging. In the spirit of robotics, which is very interdisciplinary, my background is very interdisciplinary, and I always enjoyed that, enjoyed the challenges that we get to tackle across those fields. I had worked for a startup before grad school. I went back to that startup, started teaching at night up at UMBC, and fell in love with teaching. Ended up leaving that company, came back to Maryland full-time about 8 years ago, and I've been here for the last 8 years full-time. I do have an affiliation with the Robotics Center, and I am a faculty advisor for the robotics team, robotics club here at Maryland. It's a great class, Autonomous Robotics. It's all about implementation. We're going to take a lot of the core concepts you learn in other classes, and you're going to put them all together. You have quite literally a box of parts in front of you. Okay? And by the end of the semester, that will be a living, breathing robot that will think on its own, interacts with its environment on its own, decides path plans on its own, and actuates and senses, perceives on its own. The next video is going to be kind of a documentary about the class from a previous iteration of the course. But I hope that it will give you some insight into all the fun things we're going to explore and help set the stage for the work that's ahead of us. So we'll watch the video, we'll talk about it on the other side. So that's kind of a fun little summary of the course.